I'm Mike Weaver with Carolina Barbecue Company here in Manteo. I'm the pit master and owner of Carolina Barbecue Company. We've been in business now about 5.5 years. I've been cooking barbecue since I was a kid with my grandfather. I started a lot back in Southampton County, Virginia, and then we did a lot in Suffolk. I moved to Suffolk and had a small catering company, me and my father. It was called Carolina Connections. Yeah, I got laid off back in '09 from doing civil engineering and mechanical engineering. It was kind of the trade that I started off with. We did side jobs where we would, do the catering on the weekends. We'd go to different festivals. I wanted to chase a dream. When I got laid off, my boss didn't want to let me go, but he's like, hey, this is your opportunity. Go chase that dream. We used to always carry barbecue to the place I worked at. Everybody on Fridays, everybody would buy it and go home happy. So it's kind of like the thing I've done for a long time. And like, hey, let's stop doing all these other jobs and put all the time and effort into one thing, and that's cooking the barbecue. And here we are. The thing that I think makes Carolina Barbecue stand out is I'm providing something that other people are providing also. I'm doing it through the heart. I mean, this is what I enjoy doing. I'm here to provide for the local community and to provide a good product. One of my favorite parts of cooking barbecue is getting to know people, getting out into the public, providing a good product. I find pleasure in other people's pleasure, so to cook them a quality food and something maybe they've not had before kind of brings it to the top for me. That's what I really enjoy doing, is providing something extra for someone that they've possibly never had before, or the best that they've had before.
Yes, sir.
Some of our most popular items here at Carolina Barbecue Company is definitely our pork. It's the Eastern Carolina pork, vinegar brown sugar based sauce with a crushed red pepper pop. Our brisket is definitely top notch. We like to call it Carolina brisket instead of Texas brisket. We do a Carolina brisket sauce goes with it. We like to smoke everything we do here. We use smoked sea salts. Our smoked mac and cheese also is something that you don't find most places. I've had an idea for a while about pork puppies. People are like, what's a pork puppy? Well, it's like a hush puppy with pork inside of it. So we do a pork meatball, that's our barbecue, and then we make a hush puppy base to it, which is a beer battered hush puppy base. We put it with some Carolina Ranch dipping sauce. You get something different when you come to Carolina Barbecue Company. And one thing we definitely do is use a wood background base on everything we do. We use a pecan, we use wild cherry, we use hickory. We'll also get in some other types of woods. We'll use sugar maple, orange wood, peach wood. That different wood, I think, when you add a couple of types of wood to your cook, people aren't used to that, so it's a new flavor for them. So that kind of gets people really going, I think, with our barbecue. When I see somebody really enjoy the food that I cook, to me it makes a big difference in the way I look at the future, the way I decide what I'm going to do next for people. But to be able to provide something that somebody really loves, it's kind of the thing I like to do. One of the things I really like about having a restaurant is it provides me an opportunity to get out into the community, get to know people. People coming by and talking to me here at the restaurant, the great thing that I really enjoy.
Good. Real good. Thank you.
Good to go?
Oh my God.
Not bad. Being able to provide for the community too. I mean, we do a lot with charity and, the fire department, police department, which we very much honor here. You'll get a 10% discount also if you're military, police, or fire when you come through the door here. So we kind of give it back. I mean, we do our best to do that. Here at Carolina Barbecue Company, we look forward to checking y'all out. We'd love for you to stop by and see us. I'd like to come out and talk to you, see what your favorite barbecue was here at the restaurant. You'll find us going into town on your left-hand side in Manteo, about a quarter mile on your left from the light. Come on by and check us out for some good barbecue and some country loving. So come on by and check us out, please. Look forward to seeing you.